This is how to mute Facebook users' stories so that you don't see some irritating, abusive stuff they post on their stories. Okay, first is to tap on your Facebook app for it to open. As the app opens, long press on the story you want to mute. Then select mute the name of the user. Alright, in this case it's Untouchable Comedies. So I will select mute Untouchable Comedies story. Alright. Then a notification like this will show up. Tap on mute and you're good. So if there are others that are posting some things you feel are not right for your eyes, long press on the other one, select mute plus the name of the person or the name of the page, then tap on mute. So with this, when you do this over and over again, you have a peaceful viewing. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. Alright, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and see you next time.